I'm Dr. D, the Director of Transportation for Alachua County Public Schools. We are excited about the upcoming 23-24 school year, and we have some valuable tips that we would like to share for a smooth transportation experience for your children. First and foremost, you can find your child's bus route, bus stop location, and schedule on the transportation website at www.sbac.edu/transportation. Just click on Find My Bus and type in your child's address and school to get the information you need. Another convenient tool for our families is the new web-based transportation contact form on the district's main website at www.sbac.edu. Just complete this form if you have questions or concerns or were not able to find your bus route information on the Find My Bus system. Our goal is to respond to inquiries within 24 hours during the weekdays. We understand that the beginning of the school year is a busy time, and we want to ensure you get the assistance you need promptly. We are committed to serving our community and want to make this school year a safe, comfortable journey for you and your family. So whether you have a question about bus routes, schedules, or any other transportation-related matter, our dedicated team is ready to assist you. Thank you for your support of our schools and have a fantastic start to the new school year.